In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can turn off your VPN on Android. If this helps you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video. If you want to turn off your VPN that you are currently using on your Android, what you can do is you can swipe up, go to settings. Once you're on the main page of your settings, you want to tap onto connections and then scroll down until you find more connection settings. Tap onto that, and there you'll see an option there that says VPN. Okay, tap onto VPN, and as you can see, I have two VPNs, Tunnel Bear or VPN USA. So for an example, if I was connected to Tunnel Bear, sorry, don't click on that, you click on settings. Okay, you'll basically turn it off from here. So what you can do is, if you actually tap onto it, it's going to take you into the VPN, and then you'll just simply click on the disconnect button within the VPN. Let me see this one. Okay, I am not actually connected to any sort of VPNs now, but if I was, I would just go into the VPN, and then you'll see the disconnect button. For me, it says connect. You'll just disconnect and then it'll be disconnected. So this setting takes you directly into whichever VPN you're using. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.